I was talking with a friend of mine the other day about these loose pedals that we all have. You just get sloppy loose like this, and when you put your foot on, they kind of want to tumble. Anyway, quick, easy fix. What I do here is I take a vice grips, I adjust it to exactly that size. Make sure you got it straight, and just give it a little crimp. Do it on both sides. And that makes them solid as a rock again. All nice and new. It's solid. Do the other side quick here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's my pretty girl. Quick, easy fix for you, everyone. Okay. Good luck with your builds, everyone. Have a great day.